Shalom, another daily meditation. So we do know that there is a God, and we do know that He has a law, the Deuteronomy 4 and 5. Deuteronomy 4 and 5. Behold, I have taught you statutes and judgments, even as the Lord my God commanded me that you should do so. Do so. Deuteronomy 4 and 6. Keep therefore and do them, right? Now we do know that there is a God and He has commandments, statutes, or laws, right? Therefore, what is our wisdom, right? Deuteronomy 4 and 6. Continuation, for this is your what? Wisdom. Wisdom, right? Wisdom. Sirach 1 and 14. To fear the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So we do know that there is a law and He has laws. So it is therefore wise to fear the Lord, right? And to fear the Lord is to keep His what? Commandments. This is Sirach 1 and 26. If thou desire wisdom, keep what? The commandments. Therefore, our wisdom tells us it is wise to not eat. It's wise to not eat unclean animals by following what? The law of not eating pork. Leviticus 11 and 7. And the swine, though he divide the hoof and be cloven-footed, yet he cheweth not the cud. He is what? Unclean to you. Therefore, it is wise to not eat unclean animals. That is our understanding. So we do know that there is a God and He has laws. It is wise to what? Fear Him by what? Keeping the law. Therefore, it is wise to not eat unclean animals.